And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 348. Let me show you the AI Sharpen option. I've got the same image here on left and right, and the Sharpen one I've got selected. I go to Filter, use AI Sharpen. It's kind of like a third-party plugin, so you have to confirm that here. Once you've got it, you can use it by simply clicking on Sharpen. It's going to take a couple of seconds, and it doesn't do a bad job. So here we have a photo that's completely out of focus, and if we compare it, especially the face, the balloons, it was able to bring a lot back. But you can already see one issue. If I overlay them, it kind of compresses the image. So it makes it have a shorter width. Let me put them side by side again. And you can see our Sharpen is now way smaller. And sometimes the difference is actually pretty extreme. Let me run it again. And here you can see the compression was almost a third of the image. So the guy is now thinner. The balloons are not that round anymore. If you want to make the image a little bit wider now, you can use generative fill. Just use the selection tool, left click, drag here, leave the prompt empty and generate it. You're not going to get the original back, obviously, as this is now AI generated content. But if the aspect ratio is very important for your image, for your unsharp image, then use this generative fill afterwards to bring back the width that was lost with this AI sharpener. As I've said, not a perfect tool, but for one-click option, not a bad tool either. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.